For too long, innovation has been stifled by complexity. Brilliant ideas die in silos, in tools that don't talk, teams that don't connect, and processes that move slower than the market. What if everyone could design, manufacture, launch, and service as one? What if every product learned from every product before it? Teamcenter is your digital thread backbone, a PLM system that learns, predicts, and delivers. Quickly determine the feasibility of new innovations with model-based systems engineering for software-defined products. Balance requirements and targets to determine the best blueprint for optimization and reuse. Manage a truly multi-domain bill of materials with coordinated evolution across domains, from mechanical, electrical, electronics, and software through manufacturing and service. Drive compliant-by-design products with embedded requirements. As requirements evolve, AI-driven analysis helps to ensure completeness and compliance. View, interrogate, and analyze any product definition in any configuration fast. With real-time visual collaboration for all stakeholders, it's easier to spot problems or introduce new innovations. Rapidly incorporate innovation, respond to required regulation changes, and more with end-to-end, closed-loop change execution. This shared understanding of the product is powered by purpose-built, context-aware AI. Innovation isn't just faster, it's fundamentally redefined. Teamcenter learns from every design, every outcome. It drives meaningful insights, helping you create products that were once beyond imagination. Leverage the latest PLM innovations with Teamcenter X SaaS deployments. Siemens manages software, operations, and infrastructure, so your team is always on the cutting edge, equipped to accelerate discovery and drive product innovation. Built for small businesses, large enterprises, and everything in between, Teamcenter is empowering innovators in the age of intelligence.